Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Black Friday ad from Sears. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals. Yeah, as you know, we are a tool channel, so I'm basically going to be going over the tools. And we just have a small section on this ad that's related to tools. So we're just going to fast forward. It says here, the ad says here, Sears making moments Black Friday doorbusters 2 days only. So this is going to be only a 2-day event. Thursday from 6 to 12, 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. So just basically later in the evening at night. Opens Friday 5 a.m. Hundreds of deals. Okay, all right. So we know pretty much the days there, the dates. All right, let's skip to the. All right, that's another section there. If you want to look at that, you guys could pause the video. All right, as we can see, this is the tool section from Sears Black Friday. It says Black Friday hot deals, 4 days only, hundreds of more in store and insert Sears.com. So you guys go to Sears.com and find out the other deals that they have. But for now, hopefully I can. It's not letting me. All right. So we got Craftsman 230 piece mechanics tool set, $89.99. And then this one we got, it's the same thing. Yeah, it's the same. Hold on. Oh, this is my bad. It's kind of blurry, so it's hard to see. As you guys can see, this is a 230 piece. This is a 320 piece. Thought it was the same. Craftsman 320 piece mechanics tool set, $139.99. Guys, these are great deals. I know there was a deal for Sears. There was another deal similar to this for about $100. I can't believe it. I can't really remember if it was Sears or Lowe's, but one of them two were selling a kit like this for $99. Anyways, this is a Craftsman 320 piece mechanics tool set, $139.99. You got the Craftsman 3-ton combo jack. Oh, so this one includes the creeper, the jack stands, and the jack for $129. So the whole deal there. You got the Craftsman 20 piece ratcheting combination wrench set, $49.99. Then you got the Craftsman 3/8 or half an inch drive micro clicker torque wrench, $44.99. And then you got the Craftsman 300 piece drill bit set accessory, $29.99. And then you got a toolbox here. It says Craftsman 13 drawer heavy duty ball bearing 3-piece chest combo. So I guess, yeah, it's maybe a separate unit, but it does include all the 3 pieces in this price. So $349 for that. Then we got the Craftsman 13-inch by 18-inch tool bag combo, $9.99. So this, yeah, we had this last year. I gotta say, these bags are, well, the ones that I have, they're great. I still have them in great material. They're great for under $10, especially for both of them. That's $5 a piece. You got Craftsman half an inch or half horsepower chain drive garage door opener. So if you know your garage door opener is breaking down or is going to be on its way, you know, and its last leg basically is dying, why not, pick it up? It's $99.99 for that. You got Craftsman 2.5 gallon wall mounted wet and dry vac. You can mount this on the wall. I guess you can. It's $29.99. Craftsman 14 piece screwdriver set, $14.99. It's a nice screwdriver set. Then you got some sports 96 billiard table, $449. Well, you got some nice tables here. Anyways, that's it for today. Just a short video. I just want to share this with you guys. Stay tuned. I do have more Black Friday coming up. I will be doing Home Depot, Lowe's as soon as those post. I will be posting all the sales, the best deals. So don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.